All right, guys, so we got a lot of calls regarding Mercedes, BMWs, and Audis, the people who own it from last 4 years. Just to let you know, if you want the similar 36 point of inspection on your car with a certain kilometers, like this car came in, it's a 2024 CLA 45 AMG, one of the beautiful car ever on the shop. You can see have a sports AMG calipers on it and a matte black color. That's not the original color on this car. The original is the gloss black, but the customer, they choose to pick the matte black on this one. So the thing is, they just drove it 49 clicks right now, close to 50, and they want to do a 36 points inspection, which is mandatory when you reach to 40, 50, or 100 clicks. A lot of cars need a couple of services at 50K. Another thing, when you try to like almost hit the 100 clicks, there are major services coming in, specifically on Mercedes, BMW, and Audis. So MRIK Auto is announcing this 36 point inspection exactly the same way every other dealer do. So you're gonna get everything covered from front bumper to the back bumper, and it's gonna seem okay or not okay. So we'll give you exact tire depth on that thing, also the brake measurement, all the fluid information on this one, couple of other mandatory services needed for that specific kilometers. So any of the inquiries and you want to check the status of your car right now on the current kilometers, feel free to give us a call. We'll happy to provide you a complete 36 point inspection like the dealership. Any of the similar inquiries, give us a call. On to the next car. All right, so we got this twin here, X3, and we got Q3, that's 2023, and this is 2012. So this is here for the rear coil spring brake. It's pretty common on the X3s, X5s, X1s. So we're going to replace the rear coil spring on this one. And the front left side coil is also leaking, but it's good for now because they want to split it, the repair. So we are just focusing on the major one. So the back ones are the major right now. They are badly broken on the back. There's a huge rattle once you hit the pothole. That's what we're going to do this with this one. We already did the timing chain engine kind of rebuild back in 2025 November on this thing. And this one, again, back with the turbo codes, the actuator codes. So we're going to deep dig, check it out, what's happening with it. Most likely it's the turbo codes. This kind of case, you need to remove the turbo and put it back, the new one. But we'll try to figure it out if it works with kind of actuator replace on the turbo boost. If you guys similar have any of the BMWs or Audis, feel free to give us a call. We're happy to help you out. We have a bunch of Audis, BMWs, and we got another Mercedes right over there. Then we got another BMW, we got another BMW, then we got VW, we got Range Rover, two of the Beamers and Mercedes. We only specialize in German motors, BMW, Mercedes, and VWs. Any of the similar inquiries, give us a call. We're happy to help you out. On to the next car. Are you tired of putting those Freon cans for the air condition on your car? Just let you know, you don't have to put the cans. If your gas is leaking, it's still gonna leak. So there's no point of just destroying the ozone layer. So this car got the same problem, came from another shop. It's in a limp mode, not going more than 2000 RPM. Other problem, the AC gas, the air condition Freon. They try to put twice this season. It only lasts for a day and they are helpless from other place. They was failed to diag it, how to check properly. Just to let my audience know, if your Freon is leaking from somewhere, that means that need to fix before you're gonna put it on. If somebody is doing a 134 Freon just without checking it, it's a crime. You can't do it because it's environmental damage. So that's something happening with this customer. They came from other shop, they can't even figure out what's happening. Either the condenser is bad or the compressor is bad. When we check it out, there was oil inside the compressor and the seals on the compressor was badly worn out. We tried to put the seals, but still it didn't hold the complete vacuum on the system. If you guys do have any of the air condition problem, especially in the summer, give us a call. We'll give you the right way to fix it. not those tire kickers to put the gas in and go. And then you're going to suffer for after a day or two, or probably in 15 days. It depends how quick the gas is just taking out from your system. But this is not the solution just to pour on those cans if you know your gas is somewhere leaking out. Any of the similar repair jobs, if you want to done it the proper way, you know the name, MRIK Auto. All right, so we got this Jeep is ready, 2018, that's the Sahara, and came from 2 hours away. We work on the steering gear box on this one, steering pump, and also we work on the exhaust system on this thing. This is a regular customer, came in from almost 5 years. Also, we tune up the car, we put the new spark plugs, and other mandatory fluids are done on this one. It's ready. The customer gonna pick up anytime today. And here we got this 2016 Odyssey Touring, that's the top model. And this thing comes with the middle door malfunction, and the parking sensors are turned on. So also this car making some weird noise on the potholes. So probably the front suspension is bad on this thing. And it's here for the maintenance. If you guys do own any of the Odysseys or Siennas, call us anytime. We'll happy to help you out. We have an inventory for all the parts for your van. We'll make sure your family van gonna be safe on the road. Any services, give us a call. On to the next car. So this long block is damaged on that because the general bearings, they got seized inside. So we got this engine. We're not going to swap it like every other place. We are going to make a rebuild. We're going to tear apart this, use the engine, and we're going to use the bottom block. Maybe we use this heads or that ones. So we'll tear apart both and see which one is the best ones. Complete top to bottom inside with pistons, piston rings, connecting rods, crankshaft. We are going to make complete rebuild on this one. Stay tuned with us. If you guys do have any of the eco diesels and you're looking for a rebuild, not a swap, we don't recommend swap. We don't do swap, especially on the diesels, because never knows what kind of hauling was done on the older engine, the one you're looking to swap it. So in that case, we rebuild it. It's not much expensive than a swap. It's maybe 2-3 grand more than that. So that's what we're going to do. This customer, they choose to rebuild, not to swap. So this is the engine with turbo. Luckily, we got everything on top of the engine. It wasn't expected because this was marked as a core engine when we bought it originally. So if you guys do have any of the similar engines for the rebuilds, any of the first gen diesel, second gen, feel free to give us a call. We're happy to help you out. As you're gonna see, stay focused on this engine for the coming videos. We'll show you how exactly MRIK Auto works on the diesel engine. Any inquiries, you can drop it off.